Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with a spotlight on what I believe to be the best gel nail polish jelly colors available. The DND Gel Polish set in Ferrari Red. Now, let's talk about why this set stands out from the rest. First off, it's a duo pack, meaning you get not one, but two fantastic products in one convenient package. Inside, you'll find a 15 ml 0.05 fluid ounces gel nail polish and a matching 15 ml 0.05 fluid ounces lacquer, both in the stunning Ferrari Red shade. What I love most about this gel polish is its superior pigmentation and coverage. With just one coat, you'll achieve a bold, glossy finish that's sure to turn heads. Plus, it's formulated to last for up to 3 weeks without chipping or peeling, giving you long-lasting wear and confidence in your manicure. Another highlight of the DND Gel Polish is how easy it is to remove. Unlike some gel polishes that require extensive soaking and scraping, this one soaks completely off in just 10 to 15 minutes, saving you time and hassle. Now, let's talk about how to make the most of this gel polish. For best results, I recommend following a professional 3-step gel system. Start with the base gel, then apply your desired color using the gel polish, and finish with the top gel for a flawless, long-lasting manicure. And don't forget to cure each layer under a LED lamp for optimal results. But wait, there's more. This product is not only high quality but also cruelty-free, non-toxic, and free of formaldehyde, making it a safe and eco-friendly choice for your beauty routine. Plus, it's sourced from a small business brand, so you can feel good about supporting independent creators. So, if you're in the market for the perfect gel nail polish jelly colors that deliver superior performance and stunning results, look no further than the DND Gel Polish set in Ferrari Red. With its rich pigmentation, long-lasting wear, and eco-friendly formula, it's truly the best of the best. That's all for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and recommendations. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, happy polishing!